fuck my life. I'm still grounded, and as punishment, I have to stay as a prop forever, even though Comedy World and Lil Peeps didn't get removed. I'm fucking bored. What should I do? I will just leave the village to capture Lux or Rule Zest. 2005, because he hates me so much.
Who the fuck are you?
I'm Sniper the fucking monkey. I'm going to capture you and send you to the fucking monkey village, you motherfucker.
Wow 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 wow. Super Monkey. Please help me. Your monkey is starting to get out of control.
What just happened? And why did you capture Luxor Rule's estate? 2005, what the fuck? Is this fucking true that you captured him because you got grounded by me, Ninja Monkey and Dart Monkey?
Yes.
The next scene will be loud. Turn down your volume before you will suffer.
Oh my fucking god! You are grounded forever. Go to your fucking house right fucking now, you motherfucker, and your shit.